Hi, welcome back to Sparkle's Kitchen. It's another snowy day here in Northern Ohio, and we are making garlic chicken. So I've got chicken thighs here, and we're going to put them in a simple marinade and then refrigerate it for about 30 minutes before we cook it up. Alright, so that's it. We've got our chicken thighs coated with our olive oil, garlic, and oregano. And I'm going to put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then we will cook it up. It's been about half an hour, so we pulled the chicken thighs out of the refrigerator where they've been marinating. Now we're going to season them with salt and pepper and get them into our pot on the stove. I'm just pulling these out, and I'm just going to do a light sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides. All right, let's get these cooking. So we are putting our thighs in a pot, a heavy oven-proof pot with olive oil that's been heated on medium-high heat, and we are going to put these chicken thighs in skin side down. So the goal right now is to make the skin crispy. Make sure our olive oil is spread out in there. And then we're going to add all the rest of the good garlic, herbs, and juices from the marinade. We're going to set our timer to 10 minutes, and we're going to let this olive oil do its work. Alright, we've got a nice crust on the skin of our chicken thighs, and we put it in a baking dish with broccoli and grape tomatoes. So this is going to go in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. Just get everything, the vegetables nice and cooked and the chicken up to eating temperature. So we'll see you on the other side. So there we have it, chicken thighs with a garlic, lemon marinade and some broccoli and tomatoes. Bon appetit. See you next time. Bye.